As you know, having an email list or building an email list from zero is a vital part of building an affiliate marketing business. It all starts with adding contacts to a list, and you can do this for free. But first, we need to cover some important information. First, building an email list starts with getting an audience or building an audience and turning that audience into traffic. Of course, I like to do that here on YouTube and send those people over to a squeeze page and then add them to an email list. There are other components here, but today's focus is simply building a squeeze page and adding them to an email list. And the great news is you can start at zero, just like everyone does, but you can also start for free. And we're going to do that today by building a squeeze page and building an email list of contacts, and then seeing how we can follow up with those contacts so we have a chance at making more in affiliate commissions. The great thing is you can do this for free. Check out the link in the description. It'll take you over to what is called GetResponse. It is a free email autoresponder that you can start with today. Again, link in the description. Let's go back to this diagram. We're talking about creating traffic, building an audience, solving people's problems, helping people out inside of a niche, which is a problem that we have a solution for as a marketer. As an affiliate marketer, we're going to create content around a specific problem. And on the squeeze page, we're going to address that problem and let people know that we have a solution. They're going to sign up and join our email list. Then we are going to redirect them over to that affiliate offer sales page where they can earn a commission. But the vital and the key ingredient here is putting them on an email list. And that's what we're going to take a look at right now. How to build a squeeze page, how to build this email list, or what is called contacts inside of GetResponse. But before we do that, let's find a good offer. We're going to be using Gumroad. Gumroad here, simply you can find the best things to read, watch, and make, and more. There's tons of things here, niche specific. You can see some 3D stuff here, some audio information. A lot of this is training products. Some of it is actual resources that you can use, white label, PLR, things that you can purchase and use in your own business. They cover business and money. You can see here comics and graphic novels. I mean, Gumroad has lots of different things, but I want to show you something that I found that over at Publisher Report, which is my other YouTube channel, which is effectively a case study for everything I teach here at 30 Minute Marketing. I found this book, and we're going to use the details of this sales page to build our squeeze page. And to do that, we're going to log into GetResponse. Again, link in the description, grab your free account and follow along. First thing we're going to do is go to Tools, and you'll see that we have the ability to build landing pages. But before we build a landing page, let's build that actual email list, or what is called contacts. Underneath contacts, you have list. To create a new list, you simply select create a list and create a new list. In the case of your list name it what makes sense to you. We'll go ahead and go back to the product that I'm going to be promoting, and we'll go ahead and copy that name, and we'll just call it that, the title of the product that we're promoting. And then we'll just go ahead and select or create the list. You can see that our list was created. If you reorganize this or resort this, you can see here's our new list. You can click on that list, and then you will see the contacts. Of course, there's no contacts. Again, we are starting at zero. We don't have any contacts, so we will need to get contacts for this. And of course, if you go back to this diagram, your contacts come from the audience, from the content, which becomes traffic that, again, you can create on YouTube very simply by addressing the problem and then giving the solution on your squeeze page. And then that adds people to your email list. You can see we built the email list inside of GetResponse. Again, you can start with that for free. There's a link in the description. And then next step is to build a squeeze page, which is going to give the information and compel people to give them or compel them to share their email address with us so we can follow up with them with more content about the problem that we're solving for them in our content over on YouTube. So let's pop in and build that squeeze page. So here we are back at our contacts list. Go back to Tools. Again, we're building a squeeze page that is under landing pages. We simply select the landing page. Here we go create a landing page. You can build from scratch, but you can also simply select a template. In this case, you just scroll down and you look at something that is, or you think would appeal to your niche, to the people in your audience. Also, the format matters. And in this case, I like this one right here. So we're going to select this template and we're simply going to give it a name. It's going to be the same name as our list. And we're simply just going to say next step. And that next step is the monster that is behind GetResponse is actually going to load up the template, and then we're going to finish it. You can see here there are some bullet points here, or fascinations. The reason I like this template is because if you go back to the sales page, you can see here called Lessons Include, or some bullet points that include the lessons in this book that we are letting people know about. In this case, our squeeze page is simply an offer to let people know about this book. So the ultimate idea behind the squeeze page is we're letting people know that this book exists, and in exchange for giving them this information, they are going to be added to our email list where we'll follow up with them. So the idea here is we are going to use this image from the squeeze page. We're going to take some information from the sales page as well as these bullets. So to get started, you'll simply read the description. This beautiful ebook contains 10 detailed lessons. You can see here that these are prompts used for generating consistent results in AI art generators. Again, this is going to be specific to your offer. Don't think you need to try to promote this product. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is take the information from the sales page, create a very simple squeeze page that solves the problem for your audience. The audience needs information to help solve their problem, and that's what we're going to give them. And in this case, how to speak to and use various AI generators is going to become our headline, and we're going to copy that over, and we're going to go back, and we are simply going to paste that in. And then we're just going to edit this. How to speak and to use various AI art generators. This is the solution to, or this is the problem that we're solving. We're letting people know, in my case, how they can actually speak to AI art generators. Doesn't matter if you don't know anything about what this means. The point is you're simply taking the information from the sales page that the vendor that you're going to be an affiliate for their product, they've taken the time, they know what is interesting, what the problem is for your audience. So let them go ahead and solve it, which they already have by creating the product. And then simply you'll come in and you will pick out a few of these things to highlight on your squeeze page. In this case, 10 detailed lessons with step-and-step instructions. We'll go ahead and we'll copy that. We'll go back to GetResponse and we'll just fill this in. And I think you can see what I'm doing here. I'm simply creating a landing page or a squeeze page, and I'm working through the headline and the subheadline, and I'm getting the information directly from the sales page. So we'll go ahead and we'll work through that. We'll go back, and again, we're just looking in here, things that we think or that you think is important to your audience based upon the information that you know about your topic and the problem that your audience has that you know about, that you're creating the content around, and the fact that this product solves that problem. Again, we'll go ahead and grab some more information here. And this right here, artist render examples, links to resources, and exact prompts used for generating consistent results is going to be some more information that I want to make sure that they understand that they're going to get when they get this product or they sign up to my email list. And again, all of this is at this point just about formatting this, getting it the way you want it to look, and then filling in the blanks here. To include this image, if you go back here, you look at this image, you simply want to save that image, and then you want to add it to your squeeze page. And it's as simple as go ahead and select replace, and then add in the file. And then once you download that from the sales page, you just select that image that you downloaded. And in this case, here is the image. We'll go ahead and we'll add that image of the product that we're promoting, or the offer that we're giving, the offer that we're putting forth on our squeeze page to let people know, our audience know, that this is going to solve their problem. Go ahead and select use. You can see now that that's in there. Of course, you can move that around. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you need to do to make this look really nice. And then at that point, you'll go ahead and you will finish off the squeeze page, and then you scroll down here and you can see sign up now and grab your copy, your name and your email. And then you just move through the next steps by go ahead and saying next steps. Now this does have a mobile version. You can return to the editor and it'll show you the mobile version. Make sure that looks good. Make sure it looks the way you want it to look on mobile. And then you simply continue through to the next steps. Of course, you have a thank you page here. We'll go ahead and return to the editor. This is going to be congratulations. You've signed up. In this case, we're probably going to skip this and just redirect them over to the page. Again, it looks like this. When you're on YouTube, they're going to go to the squeeze page. You're going to sign up. And then inside of the squeeze page, they're going to be redirected to the affiliate offer sales page, which is going to be your affiliate link. And then when they land here, you're going to earn a commission. But let's not lose sight of what we're doing in this video, which is simply building the squeeze page and adding contacts to our email list. So again, we can follow up with more content, helpful content that actually solves their problem. Back over to GetResponse. Go ahead. Next step is your actual landing page settings. Here you have the page title. We're not worried about ranking inside of SEO. We're trying to rank in Google search with this. We're going to be sending people to this page direct from our content on YouTube. Here is where you're going to choose the list. Here is the list we created, AI Explorer, prompt fundamentals. And as you can see, you can turn in confirmed opt-in. That means they have to go back to their email and double opt in and confirm the fact that they want to be on your list. Check and make sure that you need this or don't need this. We'll go ahead and turn that off so you can see how this works. Then you have the thank you page here. You can go ahead and say custom thank you page. This is going to be the custom URL. In the case of this, it would be your affiliate link. I'll go ahead and copy the link here for that sales page. Again, this would be your affiliate link. And then you move down and you go ahead and you publish that page. And then your page is ready. You can see here, you can see your landing page. You can simply click that. This is what it's going to look like. How to speak to and use various AI generators, 10 detailed lessons. Again, all taken from the sales page. And then your offer here, they can see it. And now they can sign up to grab your copy, or they can sign up to grab their copy. In this case, they would go ahead and just enter their email address. And then of course they would put their name and then they would sign up. And here you're going to see what happens is they are redirected by your affiliate link for your chance to earn a commission to the sales page. And you can see that the book here is the same book that they saw on our squeeze page. All this information, to include this list of bullets that we would add on that squeeze page, are going to be all the same information. It's going to be congruent from the squeeze page to the sales page, and they're going to be interested in this. They're going to add to cart, they're going to buy it, and you're going to earn a commission. And of course, when you go back to your contacts and you go back to your list, you can see here that you've added one contact to your list. Of course, if you click on that contact list, you can see here that is me. I was added to the list. I have started creating an email list. I can do it for free with GetResponse. There's a link in the description. You saw exactly how I did it, how simple it is. And you just have to walk through that process and start creating content. And then you will be building an email list from zero for free. Just that simple. If this video was helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Again, GetResponse for free. Link in the description. And I'll talk to you later.